I'm just going to mark their position. Line everything up then. This is the first piece of rear wall plank that I'm going to put in, and it's going to be the one that's effectively going to set the position of the angle bracket. And this I've chamfered at the bottom here so it'll sit flush onto the base of the barrow, and I'm now going to attach the side brackets, the angle side brackets that I've just cut, and they're going to be bolted to the lower portion of the barrow support there, and then I can attach these planks to this bracket. The other face of the bracket will then act as the guide and the support for the side walls of the barrow. And there's the first wall support bracket bolted and screwed. I've also glued it with some waterproof glue, and it's set to the correct angle to the back.